I'm sorry, this isn't actually part of the video, but fucking pay anyone. Strawberry. Yes, it's back. Hunger Game Simulator is back. If you don't know it, I used to upload a lot of this Hunger Game Simulator. It's my favorite fandoms. I deleted a lot of them. I used to do anime related back then, like I had one with Italian, South. I think there was Eurovision in that. But here we are. I was bored, when I watch a show or a movie or something, I really want to do something else. So, like, I have this show right now here, ready to watch, and then I do something else. I do a lot of those online puzzles, but yesterday I was bored. I was like, maybe I can do a Hunger Game Simulator again, but this time without books or something, without Italia, without anime. So here we are. I didn't know anyone else for one district, so most of these districts are already organized, but then the last three are just random. So let's run through the districts and start. So, District 1, that must be Marshall Oakson. I think I wrote his name wrong, but there, Barney Stinson, Robin Shabowski, How I Met Your Mother Gang. District 2, the Reds, because Lily's red, and I didn't know what to do. So it's from Fred and George, because the Weasleys is Harry Potter. District 3, my newest fandom, It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Then it's Meg, Charlie, and Dee. District 4, Meg and Shade, Hearthstone, and Alex Fair from the Meg and Shade and Gods of Asgard book series by Rick Riordan. District 5, Eskimo Carnival, Marcus Lake, Aquila, Kocha, and Uncle Aquila from The Eagle and the book The Eagle of the Night, because Kocha isn't in the movie. Those other three bastards are in the movie, so yep. District 6, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Continues to District 7, 5, 6, and 7. From the TV show The Umbrella Academy. Their actual names in the show are Luther, Diego, Elsa, and Klaus. 5, because he doesn't want to be called anything else. Ben and Vanya, and we have called the bartender from How I Met Your Mother. District 8, football. Look at all this, and also was it even better this line was it, because I love them all. I love them, I just want a couple of footballers. My favorite asshole with his best friend, yes. I picked them together for both their pictures because they were bromance and often both. Also, they have nicknames, so he's going to be called Magnus and he's going to be called Eki, and the others something else like the Kamada is going to be called Nikita. So my video anything, that's why to complete idiot defender group. At the start of district, then I went for disappointing fathers, but then after making from How I Met Your Mother, I decided to go to How I Met Your Mother again. So Frank is from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Wendy's from How I Met Your Mother, and Cheat as well. Two people I picked because I was watching a video and I saw him again and was like, I have watched a show in yours, but why not? Marilyn Arthur from Berlin, the BBC show. Then we have some of the Supernatural Brothers, of course. Then two friends who are actually fucking strange that they're best friends. Like Doc and Marty from Back to the Future. George has it in Remain because those, their age difference. And those bitches because North and South, Civil War. Okay, let's start. Because I've been talking about this for too long. Alright. Lupita working together with Vita. Again. Fuck. I hope my fates aren't going to die first. I hate that. So I'm sorry, but this is something Asuka wouldn't do. He would just stand there and like, the shit is actually going down and run somewhere because it's Asuka. Oh, please don't die first, because Zilling has died a lot of times first. Also, I'm eating popcorn. I'm so fucking sorry because Let's say when I'm hungry. It's fucking 9 AM. Yeah, fucking Echo with an explosive. No, it's not gonna end well. But yeah, you can also always go for a win. Like, so, how would you actually run away from that game? Like, I don't think he's that, angry or something. Shoots in the air. Well, there goes Super. Oh. Well, of course. Yes. Jesus Christ. Uncle. I was trying to kill people. Even though it's like, I don't know Merlin, but I'm so going to kill Charlie. Love it. Yeah, 5. Save Marcus. His BF needs him. No, this is something hard to do. Like, this is really hard. Okay, so that all. Also, George and Blizzard working together, that would be fun, actually. No, actually, Ben was the first to die. Shit. Well, there goes Eska. I really want one day Eska winning this thing. I might actually fucking continue to film a lot today. Just this. The Eska fucking wins. Of course, they wouldn't kill each other. Also, them working together, just talking. All the fucking twins find each other backward. Because of questions they're standing. Yeah. Me as well. Well, there goes Merlin. Please, it's maybe safe. Because that's difficult to do, actually. I don't know, maybe I could actually be friends with George or something. What's wrong with these two? Also, tell more bitch. Sorry for them working together. Oh, you could have killed Marcus. His BF is already dead, so just kill him, Dick. Go for it. Alright, so. Well, Lily was angry with Wendy. Okay, let me say this the same way. Like, these two play in the same football team, like national team, and he hasn't seen his best friend for a couple of months, like almost a year. So actually, Vida hangs out with him. He hangs out with his best. Like, these two hang out a lot when the Santa is playing. He also got suspended at the same time from the Santa. So actually, Simi poisoning Vida's drink is like revenge for Simi, in my opinion. Love it. The people that died and will be missed. Vida, not so much. Poor Snoopy. Yeah, you better let him live. I was thinking, like, is Ori still alive? Yes, he is. Fucking cookie time singing, like, so. We all know Luca Cat. It's them. Marshall. First, fence people away from his fire. They later do the same fucking thing. Okay, that counts. I'm sorry, but my brain was just. You two should do something to get. Well, this is a techie thing to do. There goes Marcus. Nice, what else going on? Also, this is the first thing something actually good happens to my face together. I love them and I've read the books, the Narcissist books. I love them. I've watched the movie, the show. I love them together. Yeah. Screenshot? Yes, please. Well, there goes Marathon, but again, take use that. Well, people don't use the lake. Don't go to the lake. Well, a lot of people died. Okay, but then finding out I can see them, finding out I can see with them. You know what? This could be fun. Also, we'll be looking into this. I'm surprised George is still alive. Well, there goes George. I was about to say, like, hey, maybe my face can still fucking win, and then bitch dies. Disappointment. Fuck. There's life. Also, when she's still alive, the fuck? 9 cannon shots. People that will be missed. A couple of my fans actually died. I'm going to laugh when someone from fucking 8 wins or something. Hey, there goes Coach. There were only 2 alive. I was just hoping, like, maybe fucking they can win. It's Blitzen. Deserved though. Deserved. George coming 60th is also like a mood. But who killed this guy actually? Oh god, who killed this guy? Dennis. Who killed Dennis? Himself. Thank you. Well, I guess this is it for the first video. I'm back with the next one when this is uploaded. And, you know, pros are the same. See you.